Meet the Shark Cordless PowerPro, the lightweight cordless vacuum that automatically adjusts to floor types and offers powerful pet hair pickup. With an auto-adjusting brush roll, clean with convenience and power on any surface.
To get started, unbox the unit and place the nozzle and parts on a flat surface.
To assemble the vacuum, connect the wand to the nozzle. Then connect the hand vacuum to the top of the wand.
Your cordless vacuum can adjust suction power depending on which floor type you are currently cleaning to optimize performance. For additional suction power, you can pull the boost mode trigger located on the inside of the hand vacuum.
For the best balance of runtime and performance, we suggest using the automatic floor detect mode for carpets and bare floors.
To clean under furniture, your PowerPro comes with a flex mode feature. To engage the flex mode, press the button on the back of your wand and allow the wand to bend into the desired position. To realign the unit, simply snap the wand back into its upright position until you hear a click. The battery will arrive charged at 30%, so you'll want to charge it to 100% before your first use.
To charge your PowerPro, first fold your unit into its storage mode next to your closest wall outlet.
Next, connect the wall charging cable into any wall outlet. Then proceed to connect the charger to your battery, located on the back of your hand vacuum.
The battery pack can also be removed from the vacuum and charged separately with the included power adapter.
Once the battery pack is fully charged, the vacuum is ready for use. Looking for more cleaning tips? Visit us at sharkclean.com.